My name is Sarah Dick. I'm one of the LVIDE coordinators. Today I'm going to review the Driveline Management Kit with the iodine cleanser. It's very important to ensure that your surface is clean, that you're going to perform the dressing change on, and that you've done proper hand hygiene prior to this. So first we're going to open the package. Just as a reminder, everything inside of this package is sterile. As we turn it around along the back side, open it all the way up along the strip and carefully remove the contents. Inside of this package comes with step-by-step instructions on how to complete this dressing change. Comes with 2 masks, one for yourself and one for the patient. And on the outside of the package again, a pair of gloves to remove the old dressing. First, when you remove the dressing, you're going to make sure that you remove this additional securement device. As you're removing the old island dressing, you're going to want to make sure that you're securing the exit site while peeling away the edges. This just ensures that you're not creating additional trauma at the exit site. Carefully remove it. And inspect the gauze for any drainage. And then inspect the outside of the exit site for any soreness, redness, or any changes from the last dressing change. You can remove and toss this set of gloves away. Now we have our sterile contents within our package. You're going to open this carefully, one edge at a time, making sure that the edges do not collapse back on each other. Now inside this package comes with an additional sterile pair of gloves. As you're taking them out, make sure that you're not touching any of the other items in that package. Now these gloves, make sure that you use sterile technique when putting them on and not touch the inside of the gloves, because these are the gloves that you're going to use to touch the sterile contents inside the package. Inside of this, you'll see the betadine swab sticks. You have your 2x2 gauzes, your island dressing, your additional securement device, your anchor, and some additional skin preps and alcohol pads. First, I'm going to take the iodine and open it up. This package does come with 3 sticks. So the first stick you're going to use right at the exit site, and you're going to cleanse for 30 seconds. Ensure you're getting the driveline, the exit site, and the skin surrounding. You will want to get underneath the Driveline. As you can see, my mannequin is not allowing me to, but normally the Driveline will let you gently move it and get underneath it. Cleanse the Driveline as you're going out, and you're going to want to cleanse the area completely that will be underneath your sterile dressing change. Your second swab, you're going to be doing just the same. Start at the exit site. Now there is a third swab in this, so if you want to use that third swab to get any extra exudate or crusties off anywhere that you have noticed is left behind from your first two scrubs, feel free to do so with that third swab. Allowed to dry thoroughly. Now that the betadine is dried, we will pick up our 2x2 split gauze. Carefully apply the exit site. You want to make sure that you apply it close to the exit site and don't drag bacteria into the exit site by sliding across the line. So very carefully tuck it underneath and around the exit site, snug up against the skin. There is an additional 2x2 non-split gauze that you can put on here if the patient has additional drainage. This is nice to have. You do have the option of just putting the island dressing down. It does contain a 2x2 gauze attached to the gauze. In this case, I'll just go ahead and put this one right on top. Your kit does come with 2 of the skin protective agents, so you can, at this point, open it up and apply this skin prep to the area of the skin where the adhesive material of the dressing will be applied to. Allow to dry. Apply your island dressing. Carefully remove the paper off the back. Firmly press onto the skin. Now this is the point that you would also use your additional securement device. Take off the paper on the back. Carefully feed it underneath the Driveline and over the island dressing to overlap. Secure it down. This will allow a little bit more support if the Driveline accidentally got pulled, having that additional anchor device. And then again, apply it through your anchor. If your anchor is loose, please change it at this time.